Hi, welcome back to another episode of my channel. Now this is quite a chefy question. It not only applies to Indian food, but any food which requires a sauce. Should we skim off the scum from a reducing sauce? Now the answer is really up to you. So what this scum is, it's denatured proteins that have risen to the surface. They're flavourless, they're harmless, so it all really depends on aesthetics, really. So I'm going to scrape it off because I like my dishes to look aesthetic, but that's totally up to you. So there's some of the myths. You know, we've often read or seen articles or seen recipes on videos. You know, make sure to skim the scum off the top. Well, it's totally optional, and now you know the science behind it. All it is protein coming to the surface. So if you want aesthetics, skim it off. If you don't mind, it's harmless and you can leave it in. Alright, thanks for watching.